Hi guys, my name is Maserati the creator, and this lesson you are going to learn how to create an Android app for our website. Link to my app will be placed in the description. Hi guys, my name is Maserati the creator, and I'm going to use this website called App Creator 24. If you're new to this website, you come to this sign up section, tap it and you sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Okay, so here are some apps which I created with App Creator 24. Yes, App Creator 24. Yes. So today I'm going to create an app for a website, right? So let's use YouTube, since this content is going to be posted on YouTube. Let's create the app for YouTube. Yes, and I'm going to test it. So I'm going to use youtube.com and YouTube. Okay guys, the website or the mobile app is going to work as same as the YouTube website. Going to work as same as the YouTube website. So you're going to select the URL like the highlight like this, copy, and come here and tap on create a new app. The name of our app is going to be YouTube lesson, since it's a tutorial. YouTube lesson. YouTube lesson. Okay, so for our logo, you go on Google and search for YouTube logo. Okay, so I'm going to select this logo. I think this is very nice. Yeah, it's very nice and simple. I'm going to download this. Okay, so this can't be downloaded or this can't be used. So let's select a different image. Let's select this. Alright, so we are going to use this image for our mobile app. So let's tap on save and save our image. Let's come to App Creator 24 and select choose file. That's going to be our icon for our mobile app. For the description, I'm going to do YouTube for learning or YouTube learning. YouTube for learning. Then I tap on next. Okay, so I'm going to choose the hollow, but you can choose different one, right? You can choose different one. So yeah, we select web app. Title, you rename it YouTube lesson, or you name it YouTube lesson. And the URL or the web page session, we enter YouTube URL. That's youtube.com. Then we tap on next. We are done with our app. Yes, our app has been created. But for it to function well, you have to design it. You have to let it work as the YouTube mobile app. So you need to go to the design section to go and design it. Right? You're going to design the layout. So you go to the design section. Then we go to the menu type. Then we select without menu. When we select without menu, the app is going to function without menu. So the app is going to work as if the YouTube mobile app or as same as the YouTube mobile app. So we tap on save. Okay, so now we are done with our mobile app. Now this is how we can place ad on our mobile app. So I'm not going to play ad because the site is not mine. Yes, it's for YouTube, it's for Google, so I can place my ad on it. But I'm going to show you how to place ad. So you go to the ad mob, or you search Google ad mob. Right, you have to log into your ad mob account. So whilst our ad mob is loading, let's come to App Creator 24. I'm going to show you the section where you're going to place your ad. So if you come to App Creator 24, you go to the ad section. So if you tap on the ad section, they'll ask you the banner ad that you are going to be placed. Which of the ad network are you going to? You have the ad mob, AppNest, Facebook placement ad, and other stuff. So you'll select ad mob. Maybe if you come to the our ad mob, I don't know, something's wrong with my internet connection, so things are running slow for me. Okay, so I'll make a full video on ad mob. For now, let's concentrate on creating our apps. So when placing the ad, you can type maybe ad mob. Maybe our ad unit code for the banner ad is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, and our initial ads will be there, our native ads, and in-chat ads. We have a rewarded video ad. All are going to be placed, right? So now we are done placing our ads. So you come here and tap on save. Then you move to the download section. Then tap on download app. So here our app is ready for us to download. So I'm going to download an app. Let's move to the testing section. So guys, now let's try our mobile app. We're done installing it on our Android device. So let's tap our app. So let's wait for our app to respond. Okay, so now guys, this is our app. This is how our app is functioning as YouTube. It has all the YouTube features. You can log in or you can sign in. You have all the features as the YouTube mobile app. You can watch videos and everything is going to function for you. If you find this video to be helpful, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to comment the next app we should create together. I'm Asharati the creator. I'm out.